So today we will talk about protein digestion and absorption. So we have seen digestion, what is digestion, and it is not a difficult topic. Digestion, we need to know about the digestive enzymes, where it is secreted from, and function of digestive enzymes. If we focus on digestive enzymes, we will understand digestion easily. We will understand digestion in depth. So we will talk, basically we are going to talk about digestive enzymes. Okay, enzymes. Basically, we are going to talk about digestive enzymes, and these proteases in that digestive enzyme, proteases has very high significance. Among all these digestive enzymes, your proteases have high significance, because see, proteases are not only involved in digestion. Digestion is one of its function. You know, these proteases are involved in your clotting. Clotting is done by your proteases. Proteases are involved in apoptosis. Apoptosis, you have seen this apoptosis, caspase. These caspases are, what is a cysteine? C for cas for cysteine proteases. These are cysteine proteases. So from cysteine proteases name derived. So this caspase 1 to 9, you can see caspases 1 to 9. These all caspases are proteases. We have seen in our glycogen, in our collagen metasynthesis, we have seen the collagen, the terminal peptide, tripeptide is collagen is tripeptide, and it has got N terminal and C terminal peptide here, which is cleaved in outside the cell, by a particular type of peptide, extracellular peptidase. The extracellular peptidase here is called, which peptidase is called MMP, matrix metalloproteases, MMP. So this is again a protease. You can see your lysosomal. We have studied lysosomal disorders, mucopolysaccharidosis and sphingolipidosis. There are two types of lysosomal storage disease: mucopolysaccharidosis and sphingolipidosis. Two types of lysosomal storage disease, plus one glycogen storage disease, Pompe disease. So these are lysosomal storage disease, and plus one I-cell disease. Plus, okay, these all are lysosomal storage disease. These all lysosomal enzymes are what? These lysosomal enzymes are nothing but, again, many of them are proteases. There are all lysosomal enzymes are hydrolase. It contains proteases. It contains the enzyme for digesting carbohydrate, for digesting lipid, all digesting enzymes it has got. So it also has proteases. Intracellular, there is intracellular proteases, there are extracellular proteases inside our gut that will digest protein, our food. And I did not mention the digestive enzymes. Okay, so it is, we are actually, in name of digestion, we are going to talk about these proteases. We are going to actually we will focus on digestive proteases, but you have to understand the proteases has very wide function. You know, these clotting factors are all proteases. Clotting factors are proteases, cysteine proteases. Cysteine, not cysteine, serine proteases. So these all are proteases. You have to remember, these all are proteases: lysosomal enzyme, matrix metalloprotease, extracellular matrix that is actually remodeled or degraded. These are proteases. Apoptosis is done by proteases. Clotting factors are proteases. These are proteases. Even if you complement system, your complement system of immune system. Have you studied complement system little anywhere?
No, sir.
Yes, This complement system are nothing but proteases. And then I will tell you one more. What is this complement system is proteases. And then you have studied angiotensin enzyme, ACE, angiotensin converting enzyme, and that is actually angiotensin ACE, that is present in your not ACE2, that is present in your lungs, that actually convert angiotensin 1 to angiotensin 2. So this is also serine protease. This is also proteases. Elastase that we have studied. Elastase that we have studied, macrophage elastase in alpha-1 antitrypsin deficiency. If AAT is deficient, this will be overexpressed and will cause damage to your lungs. We have seen this elastase. This elastase will actually be neutralized by AAT. This elastase is also a serine protease. So you can see proteases have vast amount of function in our body. So that is why understanding of proteases is very important. The digestive enzyme is not only the proteases. So understanding of proteases is much more important than your understanding of because these are very simple. Carbohydrate digestion, you have one amylase enzyme, that's all. And then few brush border enzymes, disaccharides are there. But for digestion of you have lipase is there, lipase, co-lipase, and then phospholipases, and then cholesterol esterase. This few enzymes are there, and that are sufficient for digestion. But protein digestion, once you understand protein digestion, you are actually you are impacting your understanding, will impact the understanding of your whole body. Okay, understanding of your immunity, understanding of your hematology, clotting, understanding of your this cancer biology, apoptosis, understanding of your extracellular matrix remodeling, understanding of your this lysosomal storage disease, understanding of digestion. So these all processes are involved with this proteases. That is why this topic is very, very important. Okay, to understand also, and to actually for USMLE also, this protein digestion is much more important than other digestion. So we will classify proteases. We have already done this proteases that way, but we will organize this through classification. We have done significances. These are significances of proteases. If you understand significance, you will love the topic. So this is the significance of this topic. So list and describe proteases, processes of protein digestion, and then describe absorption of amino acid and disorder of absorption. We will do that. Now we will classify this all type of proteases into this 4 parts. 4 is based on you have this all proteases. These are enzymes, and I told you this enzymes has one active site here. Active site, my cartoon has this teeth. So active site has a particular teeth, and this particular teeth is given a name. For example, if this active site has got metal at a functioning as its teeth, metal, which metal? Always zinc. So these are called metal proteases. And this, if it has got serine amino acid, you can see the serine amino acid at the center. It is called serine proteases. If it has got cysteine is sulfhydryl group, SS group containing amino acid. Serine is OH group containing amino acid. So this, if it has got cysteine, it is called what? It is called cysteine proteases. And if it has got this aspartic acid, there are 2 aspartic acid at this active site. Aspartic. So this aspartic acid means D. D is single letter designation of aspartic acid. So aspartic acid has COOH, carboxy group, free carboxy group in its side chain. So this will be aspartyl proteases. Your pepsin is a very famous example for that is why it acts in acidic environment, because it is an aspartic proteases, aspartyl proteases. So we have 3 types of proteases. You can see. Okay, you can remember. Okay, money is equal to cash. So you can remember this way. Money is equal to cash. So money is metal proteases, and this cysteine proteases, and aspartyl and for cysteine, money and cash. If you remember money and cash, you will remember the types of proteases. This is a very simple classification based on presence of what is the teeth that is present in its active site. It designate the medal designate teeth, serine designate teeth, cysteine designate teeth. This is spartal designate the teeth of the active site. Now, these are the examples. Now, examples of this proteases. So, serine proteases, this acid proteases I have written. This is acid is aspartame. Okay, so aspartyl and acid proteases, they are same. Metallo is metal proteases, so you don't have to confuse with that. Now you can see here serine proteases, many examples. So serine, the most abundant proteases are serine and cysteine proteases. All are actually abundant, but serine is the most abundant if you see. And you can see serine proteases, as I have told you, it is very important role in coagulation. All coagulation factor, if you see most of the coagulation factor 2 is prothrombinase. Coagulation factor, even like it is 8 is not coagulation factor, not 12. Coagulation factor is 12 is also 12. Coagulation factor 11, coagulation factor 9, coagulation factor 10, coagulation factor 7. These all are serine proteases. Okay, these all are serine proteases. And then sperm penetration is also helped by serine proteases. And you already know digestion. We will talk about most of the enzymes of digestion, except one, except carboxypeptidases. All enzymes are serine proteases. Now, cysteine proteases, you can see I told you lysosomal enzymes. All lysosomals are cysteine proteases. And then your what? Caspase. Caspase means caspase has two types of proteases, C for cysteine and AS for aspartate. So these caspases contain this aspartate and cysteine protein, and that is from the name is also derived from the same thing. C for cysteine, caspase, aspartate. Did you know this full form of this caspase?
No, I don't, sir.
So just remember, this is the actually mnemonics of this C for cysteine protease and ASP for aspartate protease. So this caspases contain two types of proteases, cysteine and aspartyl proteases. Just remember that. So this caspases, you can see cysteine protease and this lysosomal enzyme cysteine proteases. The lysosomal enzymes, many lysosomal enzymes are also called cathepsins. You can see here cathepsins. These lysosomal enzymes are cathepsins. Many lysosomal enzymes are called cathepsins. Okay, cysteine containing enzymes are cathepsins. So you can remember cysteine proteases are present in lysosome, and then it is part of caspases. Acid proteases is pepsin. Very famous name is pepsin. You know, pepsin is present in your stomach in acid environment. That is why it requires acid active site to act. Okay, why? Okay, so it is very easy to remember this. Pepsin is part of this. Now chymosin, remember pepsin. Metalloproteases. Metalloproteases, I told you, matrix remodeling, collagen remodeling. Collagen, you can see maturation requires this matrix metalloproteases. So MMPs, there are different varieties of MMPs. You can see this MMPs are mutation of MMPs are also involved in your cancer, promoting cancer. You can see this MMPs actually, if it will remodel and it will induce metastasis. So MMPs are very important. MMPs, matrix remodeling. So carboxypeptidases are involved in digestion, and digestion, you know, there are two types of, we will talk about this carboxypeptidases. They are involved in, they are also digestive enzymes. All digestive enzymes are serine proteases except carboxypeptidases. So peptidases. So regarding digestion, whatever I told you till now, they are the most important thing that will impact your understanding of medicine very much. So don't forget it till now. Okay, these are the most important thing. And digestion, you already know many of the concept of digestion. So I will go little faster in digestion.